So welcome to the part 3 of the AWS series. So in this video, we'll see how to create IAM user. Then we'll give access to the EC2 instance, and then we'll log in and see the EC2 instance on the user side. So without any delay, let's get started. So I am in AWS console right now. So let's go to the IAM. So go to the user, just create a user, put a username. I'm just writing Sabine1. So just go for I want to create an IAM user, auto generated password. Just untick this one. We don't want to create a new password after sign in. Next. So we don't have any group right now. So we'll just attach the policy, and the policy will be giving access to the EC2 instance. So it can be either full access or read-only access. So if you want to give read-only access, then just click on this one, then click on next. Then just create a user. So here we have created a user, and then we have given permission to the EC2 instance, which is read-only. So now it's time to log in as a user and see whether the user can see EC2 instance or not. So copy this one and go to the one different browser, paste this one. So we are going in private mode in this browser right now. So it will come as account ID by default. So just put your details. And the password as well. So just click on sign in. So we have created IAM user and then given him as a EC2 instance permission, read only. So we'll just check that. So here he is not having any access, not the access on cost and usage as well. So he should be able to see the EC2 instance. Let's just go and see that one. Instances. So here he can see the instances that we have in the root account. So I'll just show you. So this is my root account. So here I have two instances, which I have given permission as a full read-only access to the another user. So he can see everything here. So let's go and try to change something on the running one. So he has only read-only access. That's why he cannot do any changes. So that means it is working perfectly. So in this video, we just saw how to create IAM user, give him a permission of EC2 instance, and then check by logging the user as well. So here we just don't need these instances anymore. So I'm just going to terminate it. And then even the user, I don't need it. So this is how you delete the user. I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.